Welcome to my channel. My name is Resi, and on this channel it's all about baking and creating. Today I'm making heavenly Zimtsterne, which are cinnamon stars in English. The ingredients for our stars are 3 egg whites. Put a pinch of salt in there. Then we have 250 grams of brown fine sugar, and we have 300 grams of the toasted almonds, and we have 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. We're starting off with browning the almonds. Next we're beating the egg whites on the highest setting. Once the egg whites are really stiff, you pour in slowly the brown sugar while it's whisking. You do spoon by spoon. The egg white sugar mixture is now ready, and you remove 5 tablespoons of it into a separate bowl, which you use to decorate the stars. Next, we fold in the nuts and the cinnamon into our egg white sugar mixture. So we continue. The dough has rested a bit. You can tell it's dark outside because it's very sticky. I'm rolling it out in between cling film. Here you see it. In between cling film, and then use your cutout stars to do your stars, but definitely use the cling film. So roll out your dough so it's 1 centimeter thick. Then you take the stars. What I also have here is a bowl with hot water. In between, I put my cookie cutter in there because it's so sticky, the dough. While I'm doing this, the oven is preheating at 150 degrees, and I'm now going ahead cutting out my stars. And now comes the bit I love the most, and we carefully brush each star with the meringue mixture and then put it in the oven. So this is a bit laborious, but it's very relaxing. So the first tray is ready. This is now going into the oven. So these are ready. Taking them out. And let them cool off and put the next one in. So my cinnamon stars are ready. This is my beautiful setup here. I will zoom in, but it feels incredibly Christmassy. So this is my end result. I will try now how they taste. Crispy, moist, and I love the meringue. It's lovely. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Bye.